Bird Garden and Animal Park. Here you can see the admission price.
I don't care anymore. My chin hit the floor, but I'm sure
Here's a list of
it's
the
not
talks of
worth
feeding
fighting
times.
for. So I'm moving on, moving on, moving on, moving on, moving on.
This here is an Alexandrian parrot.
Why nothing goes as planned. I'm sure my
This is a
life
common
has
mouse
all that's
and
still
it's native to
unplanned. So
Brazil.
I'm moving on, moving on, moving on, moving on, moving on.
This is a cockatoo. Say hi!
Hi! It'll work out with the rest. Though so far I'm not impressed, but I don't care.
This is the king of all parrots, the blue and gold macaw.
But I'm sure it's not worth fighting for.
These are some donkeys and I'm gonna feed them.
Moving on, moving on, moving on. They say every cloud has a silver lining. The sun will soon start shining, so I should stop my whining. But I don't.
This is a panda wallaby from East Australia.
Nothing goes as planned. I'm sure my life has gold that's still in pan. So I'm moving on, moving on, moving on, moving on, moving on.
This is the Asian leopard cat found in China and
La da 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 da, la da 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 da, moving on.
This is a great terrier, member of the ostrich family from South America.
They say it's darkest before dawn, and I sure hope they're not wrong, 'cause I'm ready to move on. But I don't care anymore. My feet back on the floor, and I'll find
These are alpacas, they're related to camels.
so I'm moving on, 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 moving on.
Here we have a from Madagascar.
Moving on.
That was our adventure at Filey Bird Garden and Animal Park. Come check it out. See you in the next one. Bye!